Hello everyone. Would you ever be curious of what happens when we eat the food and it enters into our body? I think you might be curious. So, to solve that issue, I, Anvi from Proton Hub, will explain you the digestive system in simple, easy steps. First of all, we should know why digestive system is important for us. It is important for us to give us energy. When we eat the food, it follows these process and breaks down into simple substance that gives us energy for growth and repair. So the digestive system starts from our mouth. From mouth, the food enters into our mouth and the teeth helps in the grinding and crushing of food, and the tongue helps in the mixing of saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase which helps in the conversion of starch into simple sugars. From the mouth, the food moves into this portion which is also known as esophagus and which we call food pipe. From there, it is a muscular tube through which mouth is connected to stomach, and through a movement of peristalsis, the food moves into stomach. And inside stomach, which is a J-shaped muscular bag, food is stored temporarily, and some actions are taken upon it by production of gastric juices, which contains hydrochloric acid, which is a really corrosive acid which helps in killing germs, and the second one is pepsin, which helps in digestion of proteins and converts them into peptones. From there, the second thing, which is liver, it is the largest gland of our body, which secretes bile juice that is stored in the small sac called gallbladder. The bile juice helps in the digestion of fat. The fat droplets are converted when bile juice acts upon the food. From there, we move to another gland, that is pancreas. Pancreas releases pancreatic juice, which contains three following enzymes, that is trypsin, which converts proteins into peptones, and the second one is amylase, which converts the carbohydrates into sugar, and the last one is lipase, which converts fat into fatty acids plus glycerols. From there, with the action of these two glands, the food now moves into this, which is also known as small intestine, that contains three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum and ileum. From there, it is a long coiled tube. The bile juice and pancreatic juice that were released by these two glands act upon the food here. Also, some intestinal juice is also released, which contains some enzyme that completely digests the food. And then the completely digested food's nutrients are transported into blood through finger-like structures present in the walls of these intestine called villi. From this small intestine, the food moves into this large intestine, which is also called colon. In this large intestine, the nutrients which are absorbed by small intestines are gone, and only the thing is left is some water, salts and waste material. The water and salts are absorbed by this large intestine, and the remaining waste, which is in the solid form of feces, is left, which is then moves into rectum where it is stored, and when the rectum is full, the waste moves out of our body through anus. So that is, now we have known the digestive system in just few simple steps. Thank you.